Good evening, welcome to my channel. Today we will be speaking about gender equality. As soon as I say gender equality, what strikes us is the women. Because till date, till almost for many centuries, since many centuries, it is the women who have been put down and the men have been kept on a higher position, in a higher position. But now all the paradigms are getting changed. Slowly the women are also coming up to the level of equality, but only in certain areas. So why do you think that gender equality is important? One reason, as I already told you, is because all these centuries the men were looked upon as some higher beings. But now even the women are proving themselves. They have to prove themselves in order to be kept on top. So why is gender equality important? Implementation of gender equality, that is the other aspect. First we will see why gender equality is important. Gender equality, be it a man or a woman, should be treated equally because now the societal rules have changed. When I say societal rules, it is not that the society is accepting women to be something, to be equal to men or something like that. I am not talking about the societal aspect at all over here. But what the women are up to nowadays, right? So when I say women, they have come up in life. They are also venturing into various professions, army, even the border forces. We have the women battalion. So all the women are coming out of their homes. So it would be better if we can if we can look upon women also with the same lens as we look at men. One more reason why there should be a gender equality is because when we see the construction industry, for example, okay, construction industry, the men and the women work at the same pace. They do the same type of work, right? Now we have technology, so maybe carrying of heavy loads and all that is taken up by machineries. So it is not the men who are doing now. Earlier probably we can justify by saying heavy loads were taken by men, so they were paid more. But now we have the technological aspect, because of which you have the crane or the lift taking it, or mainly it is the crane or something like a pulley which is being used in construction industries. So now it is like the men and women almost are doing the same work even when it comes to construction. They go higher up on the building and do the work, their masonry work, everything is done. So therefore gender equality is very important when it comes to payment of wages as well. So what the Labour Act, the labour laws which have been done regarding the payment of wages, I would say it's a good step. Even otherwise, generally also we feel that gender equality is a must. Okay, this is as far as women are concerned, but where men are concerned, this is a very sensitive topic because when we look at divorce cases or probably alimony, maintenance cases and all that, women are given preference. But I wouldn't say that, because nowadays everyone is being treated equally even when it comes to maintenance or alimony. Whatever is looked at is the facts of the case and what actually has transpired. And now it is accepted that if the woman is working or has the potential to work but is staying put at home just for the sake of getting money from the husband, then if she has the potential to work, she is given the chance to work and not necessarily put the burden on the husband. So now we feel that there is some sort of improvement in the aspect of gender equality. How should it be implemented? Again, when we come to implementation, law of course implements. It has always been implementing gender equality. It has always been supporting gender equality. Now the implementation aspect mainly depends upon the society. Till now what we were talking about is the law. Law is always equal for everyone. But now when we are speaking about the society, it is high time that all the people realize that men and women are equal in almost all aspects. Men have a separate set of specialities, women have a separate set of specialities. So each of them can do their own work and maintain equality. Let us not compare the man with the woman or woman with the man, vice versa. Thank you.